Welcome to Kingdom Christmas Lights. Today we are going to go over the hiring paperwork so you'll be ready to go. Today we're going to start with the Kingdom ByLaws. Please put that in front of you and let's begin. Okay, here we go. Listen up, folks. Conduct. Punctuality. Being on time is one of the easiest things you can do. This simple task, however, separates the professionals from the people who don't take their job or business seriously, regardless of the situation. Kingdom workers start each and every day no later than 8 a.m. unless instructed otherwise. As far as client communication is concerned, never discuss with a client what time you or someone from our company is going to be at their property. Scheduling is handled directly by our office. Communication. Staying in constant communication throughout the day is the most effective way to battle time management. The logistical operation of our company is solely based on our ability to communicate with each other and our clients. Remember to document every detail of your day and capture pictures and/or videos. This is important and mandatory to receive payroll. Profanity. There's nothing that can water down a Christmas experience like profanity. This includes the music played on the job site. Do not play music that has profanity or loud bass music, i.e., rap, metal, hard rock. The only music our client should hear is our company Christmas installation music playlist on Kingdom Radio. Company business. We do not discuss interoffice relationships, customer information, pay scales, other projects, or any other Kingdom business on job sites or amongst other Kingdom workers. These details are considered to be proprietary information and a direct violation of our Kingdom ByLaws. Referrals. From the moment you put on your issued Kingdom work apparel, you are on the center stage, the spotlight is on, and everyone is watching you. Everything you say, do, and how you conduct yourself will be noticed. Our company expects professionalism and a strong display of moral values. This positive experience produces referrals from each worker on every project. All potential clients or referrals should only receive our company information. Have clients take a picture of the back of your shirt, the yard sign, or any other Kingdom branded logos you have. Under no circumstances should a client receive your personal information or receive information regarding a quote on unrelated service you offer or have experience with. Apparel. While working on any Kingdom projects, you should be wearing Kingdom-provided apparel. If you don't have a presentable Kingdom shirt, you must be wearing a plain red shirt. Co-workers. Only authorized and approved Kingdom workers who have signed our worker or contractor agreement can be on a job site. This means no spouses, children, or friends can be on projects at any time, no exceptions. We encourage adding members to our team, but they must follow our company hiring process and be approved by our management. Stay clean. Keeping a job site clean at all times can be the most important step for receiving referrals and 5-star reviews. This includes but is not limited to keeping a clean work area during installations and double-checking for trash or extra materials at the end of every project. Make life easy by keeping the job site clean as you go. Checklist. You will be provided a checklist to review and explain to our clients before and after every project. This will prevent misunderstandings during a project and help us work more efficiently together. This checklist must be completed and submitted with your payroll on every project. After completing this process, you will have less callbacks, more referrals, and a higher percentage of cash tips. Now let's talk about compensation. That's the part where you make money, so listen up. Compensation. Collection. Any and all financial compensation for the completion of a Kingdom project will be made directly through our office. Your compensation, with the exception of tips, is paid directly through the KCL office, not our client. We do, however, recommend to our clients that we encourage them to tip our installers if they are happy with their experience. Materials. Before any payments are made on a project, all tools and materials that have been issued to you must be returned and/or accounted for. Payments. Crew leaders will be paid per package, per increment, and/or per task, which is outlined in our pay agreement. No payments will be made unless the job is complete. The products are accurately counted, the final pictures are posted on Jobber, and the completion checklist form is accurately filled out and signed by our client. Photos, videos. We require the final photos of every decoration installed to be posted in the client's Jobber notes. We also require the best marketing picture posted on our company Google Chat platform along with a video of every decoration installed. Please note, posting our company pictures on non-Kingdom platforms without exclusive permission can be considered as proprietary information and may violate our Kingdom bylaws. Reimbursement. For expenses that have been pre-approved for reimbursement, we need the receipt submitted as an expense on Jobber, and it also needs to be uploaded to your payroll chat. Now I'm going to talk to you about the office. The last thing you want to do is make Santa mad and get a bag of coal in your stocking, so listen up. Office hours. The KCL headquarters is open and available for our crews during the hours of 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday through Saturday, unless otherwise instructed. During your visit here, please report immediately to the manager on duty for assistance with materials, instructions, payroll, or any other business needs. Do not leave personal items on our property for later pickup. We are conducting a family-owned business, and our after-hours privacy request is non-negotiable. Clean. There is a company dumpster on site at our office that you are free to use during business hours. Removing trash from your vehicles and leaving it on our property is unacceptable and will not be tolerated. This request falls under a common respect that we should have for one another. Bathroom. If you're needing to use the restroom during your visit at our headquarters, there is a provided porta-potty for your convenience. The bathroom connected to our retail office is reserved for clients only. Fires. Do not start fires on our property for any reason. Now we're going to talk about honor. That's right, honor. Violating the honor code can get your butt fired, so pay attention. Honor. Family. We don't just represent a company with a great reputation. You represent your family name. Conduct yourself with integrity and honor during your tenure with Kingdom. Materials and supplies. For approved workers that are securing materials, tools, or fuel through phone sales or receipts for reimbursement, we demand honor. Adding drinks, snacks, or any other unapproved items to these purchases is considered theft and is a terminable offense. Tools. You are required to have your own tools needed to complete your assigned projects. An example of the above-mentioned tools are ladders, hot glue guns, and drills. In the event you're issued a company-owned tool, you must have paperwork and/or a payroll chat entry showing the assigned equipment, and then again once it has been returned. Referrals. This happens on a daily basis and is evidence that you're doing your job correctly. For our workers who are not producing referrals, it's a direct reflection of your performance and a violation of our Kingdom bylaws. Every referral must be communicated to our office and/or our sales department. Your issued KCL yard signs and shirts will do the work for you. Side jobs. Under no circumstances should you be offering, estimating, or completing a side project outside of the Kingdom Christmas Light LLC company structure. Doing side jobs, not including KCL, is a clear misrepresentation of our organization and is considered theft. This neglect of honor will be punishable by termination and/or legal proceedings. Returns. It is our effort to make sure that you have every tool and resource to be successful each and every day. All issued installation materials, tools, paperwork, promotional and advertising products must be returned to the Kingdom Christmas Light office before any payments are made. Now we're going to explore the Kingdom Christmas Lights process. You must follow this process to work here, so pay attention. Process. Dispatch. Your assignments, scope of work, and project details are available on Jobber. General information will be communicated via Google Chat regarding the details of each project. Respect. In the event you're directly communicating with our client about your arrival, do not inform the client of your arrival time. Variables happen, and the scheduling is made by our office. When you arrive at the client's property, be mindful of blocking driveways, carrying ladders around vehicles, and landscaping when you get there. Clock in. Communicate with our office by clocking in on Jobber when you get to a project. If you're using the Jobber GPS and navigation setting, it will automatically clock you in. Signs. Before each project starts, we put 3 signs on a property during our installation. One is always facing forward, and the other ones are facing towards the other directions of traffic flow. Check in. You'll have a detailed description of the work order and/or notes on Jobber and/or from our office. Please connect with the client before starting the project, review their order, color selections, and design requests before starting. You also want to check the property for damage such as gutter damage, shingle damage, or any other damage that may be later connected or related to the installation of the decor. This documentation is very important and should be submitted to our office first before notifying the client. Installation. During the installation, be professional and keep our job site clean at all times. Remember, there's many different techniques to install lights. Make sure yours is safe. Warranty. Here at Kingdom Christmas Lights, we treat every client as if they were new when it comes to warranty. Inspect the lighting and decor you're installing so you can guarantee the work and lighting until Christmas. The count. This is a very important detail that directly affects our payments. Count every C9 light bulb, strand of mini lights, wreath, timer, extension cord during your installation. This information should be documented on your final checklist and on Jobber. In the event you exceed or upgrade past the estimated amount of lights, we need to inform the client before proceeding. This will eliminate billing issues at the end of the project, so we all get paid for what we do. Checklist. There are both written checklists on paper, in addition to a digital checklist attached to your client's project on Jobber. Every installed item and decoration must be accounted for and submitted through our Jobber platform. You can take a picture of your handwritten copy and then upload it to the client's Jobber notes. A completed Jobber checklist is required for payroll. Photo op. You need to take a picture of every decoration installed on the property while lit. This may require you to take several pictures. Remember to get a picture of the sign with the house in the background. Once you've taken all of the pictures needed, capture a video of the entire project. When taking pictures or video, turn your phone sideways. For quality control purposes, our management team may also require you to send pictures of connections, waterproofing areas, and pre-existing damage. These pictures will prevent you from returning to a project and will ensure that our payroll process runs smooth and on time. The photos of the billable lighting needs to be uploaded to that client's Jobber notes. The best final completion photo with our sign in it and a lit job site marketing video needs to be uploaded to our KCL Google chat before receiving your next assignment. Walkthrough. At the conclusion of each project, you must conduct a walkthrough to make sure you've collected all of the materials, trash, tools, or any other items at the client's property. If they have additional lighting from a previous season in their provided storage container, that belongs to the client. You also need to collect the additional yard signs with the exception of the one that faces forward. Clock out. After successfully completing your assigned project, clock out on Jobber before you leave. This action will communicate to our office that you're finished and ready to proceed. Now for the non-compete part. You cannot start or work for another Christmas company until February 1st, 2025. Sign the paper and let's get busy.